Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone. If you're looking for the best espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which best espresso machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Barista Touch. The Breville Barista Touch Impress both educates the user about all the factors that go into a good cup of espresso and self-corrects when it notices something awry, so you don't really have to know what you're doing. The result is a seamless espresso brewing experience, with minimal troubleshooting required on the user's part and some learning along the way. Furnished with a sophisticated touchscreen, complete with impressively detailed full-color graphics that make brewing a cup of coffee feel like playing a video game. Swipe on the touchscreen to select your drink of choice, from an Americano to a cappuccino, and the machine will walk you through each step of the brewing process. It grinds just the right amount of beans, 18 to 22 grams, tamps them with consistent pressure, 22 pounds, extracts the espresso at just the right temperature, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, and textures the milk to just the right consistency. Unlike fully automatic espresso machines. Number 2. KitchenAid KF7 Fully Automatic Espresso Maker. KitchenAid isn't exactly a new brand to American households. But, as this KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine review will show, this beauty they've just launched this high-end espresso machine makes things easier for super busy espresso lovers. Especially those who don't want to feel like they're playing Jenga every time they brew a shot. Essentially, this automatic coffee machine promises powerhouse performance, convenience, and easy maintenance. But does it live up to the hype? I simply had to find out, so I bought the KitchenAid KF7 to test out for you. I'll uncover why this new-to-market espresso machine has caused such a stir in the auto-brewing coffee community. And a little later, I'll share my experiences using the thing. If you didn't know already, KitchenAid, of stand mixer fame, also makes good semi- and fully automatic espresso machines. Number 3. Jura E8 Espresso Machine. The Jura E8 is a highly reviewed super automatic espresso machine, praised for its user-friendly design, ease of use, and consistent, high-quality coffee. It's known for producing excellent espresso with a rich crema and a variety of specialty drinks, including lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites. While some find it expensive, many customers believe it offers good value due to its features and performance. Excellent coffee quality, many reviewers highlight the delicious and fresh-tasting coffee produced by the Jura E8, particularly praising the espresso shots with a good crema and balanced flavor. User-friendly interface of the machine features a large color display, intuitive navigation buttons, and a clear drink menu, making it easy to operate and customize beverages. Variety of drinks. The Jura E8 offers a wide selection of specialty drinks, including various coffee and milk-based options. Number 4. Solis Barista Perfetta Plus. The Solis Barista Perfetta Plus is an excellent first machine. It's got plenty of accessibility features that help you brew cafe-quality drinks without a steep learning curve, and enough professional functionality and upgradability that it will continue to serve you well, even after you've got your espresso legs beneath you, so to speak. I set the BPP up next to my desk, which was easy to do given how compact the machine is, and swore a solemn vow to use. Number 5. Delonghi La Specialista Arte. The Delonghi La Specialista Arte is a well-regarded espresso machine, particularly for its ease of use and ability to produce cafe-quality espresso, especially for beginners. It's praised for its sleek design, solid build, and automated features that simplify the espresso-making process. Ease of use. The La Specialista Arte is known for its user-friendly interface and straightforward controls, making it suitable for beginners. Number 6. Ninja Luxe Café Premier. The Ninja Luxe Café is a 3-in-1 bean-to-cup coffee machine that makes espresso, drip coffee, and cold brew. With its grind size suggestions based on the type of drink, a weight-based dosage system, and an automatic milk frother, much of the guesswork when it comes to perfecting your brew is taken out of the equation. It's perfect for novices who are just beginning to dip their toes in the espresso world. But the real question is, does the Ninja Luxe Café? Number 7. Philips Barista Brew. The Philips name is likely familiar to those of you with an affinity for super automatic espresso machines. While Philips hasn't yet won over that market, they have produced some strong contenders. Most notably, these include their Latte Go lineup, led by the flagship Philips 3200 Latte Go.